Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to backup and restore saved passwords in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one triple dots menu in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under settings, select this one profile option in the left sidebar. On the right, you can switch the profile in case you have multiple profile created on your Edge browser. And then scroll down and click on this one passwords option. Under passwords on the right sidebar, you will find the domains for which you have saved the password. Here on the top beside this one settings option, click on this one triple dot menu and click on this one export passwords option. Then click on this one export passwords button. Now Windows may ask for PIN or password. Just enter to authenticate it. Now select a location and then click on this one save password. No, sorry, save button to save the saved password in Edge browser in CSV format. Click on this one save button. This will save a file on your selected location that you can open with a notepad file. Just right click on it, select open with and select this one notepad option in case you want to view this one passwords. To import this one passwords again on your Edge browser when you need it, click on go to this one option again and select triple dots menu beside this one settings option. Here you will find this one import passwords option. Click on this one option. Now in the drop down menu of import from, select this one passwords CSV file. Then click on this one choose file button. Navigate to the location where you have saved the Edge passwords and select that CSV file and then click on this one open button. Click on this one done button. These all passwords will be imported on your Edge browser